Welcome to Ziro Studio tutorial. In this video, we will talk about a really cool aspect of our 3D virtual robot. Just like in real life, our 3D robot follows the laws of physics. That means it has gravity, it has inertia, it has acceleration, friction, and so on. To help you see this aspect, let's run an example. Let's go to examples and run the circle code. As you can see, the robot moves in a circular path as the code is running. And you can notice that there is an initial on-ramp, but after some time, the robot goes in a perfect circle. And this is because of physics. It takes some time for the robot to reach the maximum speed that we have specified, which is 100. And while it is reaching the speed, it creates this on-ramp. To compare a physics-based robot with one that is not physics-based, we can use the 2D robot that comes with the Studio. To access that, we go to Virtual Type menu and select 2D. As you can see, the same code has made a perfect circle. To see it in action, just run it again. As you can see, from the beginning, it makes a perfect circle, as it starts immediately with the right speed of 100. And then you can stop it. So this illustrates to you that the 3D robot behaves much more realistically than non-physics-based robots. In the next videos, we will go through some Python lessons.